my.
Okay, there we go.
Oh my. Oh my.
That is crazy. Dude, the wind chill is probably like 32 degrees right now. Oh, it's so cold. Calm down now. Maybe. Oh, do they?
Somebody's house back here.
I know.
And it doesn't look like it's nobody's there though.
Here we go.
So far, no gate. There is a house right up from us though, but the road bears off from the house and goes up to the left towards the towers. So far, it's pretty windy up here, but I'm not seeing a gate or anything yet. Yeah, as long as you can get us up there where we all get up the spot up there, I think that's a good spot for now.
Face is defrosting. That was at least 32 degrees. I felt it. It was
cold.
It is cold. It's a cold winds.
Oh, I don't know about getting turned around back there. But big bump.
Oh,
Oh, Lord. Yeah, we can get right up to the towers. There's no gate or anything, but there's only, I mean, it's just a single dirt lane. I mean, oh, here's a little spot to the first tower we can pull in. But
oh, wow. Look
yeah,
at
you
that.
guys can come on up here if you want to. There's no gates or anything until you get the whole way to the towers.
Look at that.
Oh, here.
Passing right through that tower. Wow. There we go. Everybody else is pulling up right now. Sorry for the camera shakiness. I'm freezing. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Woo!
It's hell. It's hell.
Look at those clouds rising up.